Dreams don't work unless you do. So why are you still doing it alone? You've been dreaming of freedom, income, and time for what matters most. But trying to figure it all out on your own feels pretty overwhelming. That's why I searched, found, and joined the Legacy Builder Blueprint, a step-by-step guide to help you build a flexible online income around your life, especially if you're taking care of a loved one. You will learn how to create digital offers, earn daily, and finally feel in control of your time and income. You're already working hard. Now it's time that work actually starts paying off. Join now by getting in touch with me via my website or by sending me a DM or email. Or you can visit my website for all the information, and let's start building your legacy and not just surviving your day.